Look at that. Welcome back to Made by Manj. Nike shoebox, loads of bits of wood. This, in my head, this is going to be the best one yet. I've also got the leather somewhere. I should really find that. 9mm MDF or plywood, whatever you want. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to mark these up, cut them, and then we'll go from there. Most of my viewers are also American, so shout out to you guys. We don't all sound like Harry Potter. And shout out to everyone else all over the world. Alright, so let's start with the base. I'm going to use this piece. We'll make it a little bit longer. Using these two, because these are going to sit on the inside, I'm going to add the width for these two roughly to the end. Back. These bits. 11.5, 12. We're going to just go for 12. 12. 12. Front, back. Now you've got the two lips that sit outside of the box, and to make sure they don't hit against the box itself, I'll leave another 9mm as a spacer. So there's my line. Right, time to do a test fit. There we have the box. I have the lid. Just line that up at the back. Right, there is 101 ways you could do this if you've got enough clamps and stuff. I don't. I'm going to stick glue on these faces here. Butter this up. Use a nail gun. Once the sides are all done, then I'll just nail it, glue it and nail it into the base. Right, that is the box glued up and assembled. Right, what I've done now is sanded the insides. I am going to paint them. So all in here, roughly, don't worry about the edges, all in there. Right, it is now time. Box, lid painted. Now for this, I've gone out and bought some of this stuff. Grab adhesive in a tin, because you do not want to use this stuff because it will go everywhere. It will go inside the box. It could go on the nice side of the leather. You'll regret it. I've never used it. We'll see how it goes. I've got this Faux leather stuff. Can you see? So measure out, cut and glue. It does smell quite strong, so do this in a well ventilated area, guys. Thumbs up, because I'm not telling you to do something. How the hell, that doesn't go in there. Do I pour this? We're all learning, guys. I'm just gonna see if this works. Jesus. I was trying to, this just isn't gonna work really, is it? Not quick enough anyway. Probably got one shot at this. Oh, nearly dropped it, wrong way around. Hey? Work from the inside out, guys, whenever you're doing vinyl wrapping, like you've seen in my other videos. I'm using my hands here, so I don't want to damage the material. Beautiful. Right, this is stuck down okay, so now I'm going to try this edge, then we'll do the sides, then the front. There's a reason for that. Just a Stanley blade, try to keep it quite tight. You're very careful when you get to the edge. I've got one piece left, and I am going to now cut that, and that'll be on the base, because we're going for premium, and it just feels premium. The word for the next few minutes is right. Before we wrap the sides, I've just stuck some hinges on the back. That's because I don't want them visible there or from the inside. On the lid they will be visible, so I've painted this bit red. Now take your time. I'm saying there. Right, that's looking good. Right, everyone's favourite moment. Mask off to give yourself some sort of guide. He says. Alright, make sure it's all stuck like that. Horrendous moment of truth. Thereabouts will do. Lighting in place in case you made a mistake. Now normally you press down with a card. I don't want to do that because the leather. Look at that. This has to be the nicest shoebox. I don't know if you want one or if anyone else makes these, but now you know how. Wooden box, wrapped in leather, black and red on the inside. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Drop me a like, subscribe.